Hi guys, welcome to my channel on Easy Chinese. This is Hanzi here. If you're a beginner, please check below links about the writing and the pronunciation of Chinese characters. If this is your first time to be here, please subscribe to my channel to have new updated videos. I'm trying to make Chinese an easy second language to learn. Okay, here are 13 basic Chinese characters for this episode. Let's begin with the first one. First tone, silk, literally means silk and something like a silk. For example, a hair, single hair, iron wire, okay? You cut cucumber or carrot into and the extends its meaning to small amount, a few, a little. For example, there is no single of breeze, and the whole atmosphere is still. A single of breath, a single of enthusiasm, energy, etc. And the changes its form to this while composing some characters. And how to memorize this structure in an easy way? You can treat this part as a silk, right? And horizontal to the bottom of it. Second character, bu, literally means cloth, fabric, but the raw materials do not include silk. Okay, the second meaning, think of it. What is bu used for? Bu can be cloth, can be curtain, can be a decoration covering your table, okay? Can be a cleaning cloth. Okay, let me give you a condition like this. In ancient China, without modern civilization, no electricity, no computers, etc. How the government makes people know it's raw, notice, etc. Okay, and the government gets to write information on a piece of bu and stick it to the public wall. Okay, this activity means bu. And the third meaning, think of it like this. The government wants to make it as more people as possible to know it's raw. Okay, then he gets to stick more copies around the whole city, around the whole country. Okay, this activity also called bu, spread, bu. For example, here's a white board and Chinese characters, bu ma, whole whiteboard. Okay, referring to the second and third meaning, bu usually does not exist in its own single character. It usually gets to comprises other characters to be a combination. So you don't need to deliberately memorize the second and the third meaning. You just get an idea about it. That's enough. Third character, E, fixed combination, first tone, E. Check this character, a little complicated, without order, right? Haphazard. But check this Chinese classical character. And compare with these two pictures, we can understand this part as neck, these two as shoulder, and these two as arms, and these two as the two lines of cloth overlapped. Then turn back to this structure. We can understand like this. Here, neck, shoulder, one of your arm, this one side of your body, and this the overlap of clothes. And E is changing its form to this while comprising some characters. Okay, next character. Jin, Ji, Ji, in first tone. Ji, in, Jin, Jin. A small piece of cloth. A small piece of elegant cloth. Something like scarf, towel, and something like Jin. For example, tissue, elegant tissue. And we do not say the toilet paper as Jin because that is not elegant enough. And you can memorize the structure of Jin with the Bu. Seems like this part makes a Jin a big cloth. And next character, Bao, Bo, Ao, Bao, Bao, first tone, Bo, Ao, Bao, Bao, Bao. Check this. This is a piece of cloth, and I wrap it. Okay, and I wrap it. The first meaning is wrap, Bao, wrap. Okay, next. What if I shoe this side and shoe this side and attach a zip to the top of it? Is it like a bag? Is it like a bag? So the second meaning is bag. The third meaning is a kind of Chinese food with meat, vegetable wrapped in. The fourth meaning is like this: bao, everything. And then it extends its meaning to include everything related. For example, this insurance policy, 包括 all accidents, referring to the fourth meaning of 包, the same as 不. This character usually does not exist in its own single character. And how to memorize this character in an easy way? Think like this. This is your mouth. This is your hand. Cover your mouth with your hand. Wrap your mouth with your hand. But there is something still leak out. Wrap, 包. Next character, 毛, 摸, 熬, 毛, second tone, 摸熬, 毛, second tone. The meaning is very obvious, just hair, any kind of hair, including wool. You can regard it as a tail of cat. Tail of cat with a lot of hair. Next character, 皮, 坡, 皮, also second tone, 皮, skin, any kind of skin, human skin, animal skin, object skin, any kind of skin, 皮, 坡, 皮. Next character, 车, 吃, 车. Check this classical Chinese character. These two lines, just like wheels. This horizontal stroke, just like an axle. This part for carrying things, people, etc. Then we regard any transportations like this as 车, for example, like this. And according to its different function features, we designate them with different names. For example, fire, 车, 火车, train, driven by coal, 汽车, steam, 车, driven by steam at a very early age, and horse, 车, 马, 车, pulled by horse. Next character, 舟, 之, o, first one, 之, o, 舟, boat. This part, just like the head of a boat, two sides with a wave, and 2 persons sit on it. Here's a pattern. 舟 boat. Next character. 门 摸 门 摸 门 door. Chinese classical character write like this. And simplified to this structure. Please check this picture while trying to memorize them. Next character, 长 是 长. The traditional meaning is space under a cliff. From this structure, it is very obvious, but nowadays we just omit the traditional meaning and define it as factory, without wall, with wall, enclosed by wall. Next character, 井 well, pit, a man-made deep hole on the ground, usually for water, minerals, etc. 井. From this picture, it is very clear. At the very beginning, the protection of 井 is made by wood, overlapped. Last character, 台, platform. I'm excited to find out that there is an exact English word to define 台, platform. And also, both of them extend their meaning to an abstract one. For example, YouTube is a platform, 平台, for each individual to express their ideas. 台. Finally, let's find out regularly used combinations from these 13 basic Chinese characters. 毛衣 皮衣 丝巾 毛巾 皮包 毛皮. Okay, it's coming to the end of this episode. Please subscribe my channel to have new updated videos. And I'm going to finish this video with my handwriting of a standard stroke sequence. Hope you enjoy it. See you next time.